Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So here I will be showing you guys how I created this soft fall glam makeup look. But first, let's get into this hair. So this hair is from WIGGINS hair, and this is what the packaging looks like first off. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. It has the hair right there on top in a bag, and these are the 3 items that came along with the hair. So when you take the hair out of the box, this is what it looks like. It comes in this plastic bag, and on top it has a sticker telling you like the inch. So I got this lace front wig in 22 inches. So this is what it looks like. It's in the little net. It has a little paper inside, so I'm just going to take that off. And of course you want to take the little paper inside out, and this is what the actual hair looks like. It's the 200% density loose deep lace front wig. So I did get some shedding. On their website it says that it's tangle free and shedding free, but I did get a little bit of strands. But the inside of the wig has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and also adjustable straps. So I did place this wig on my mannequin head to really show you guys the hairline. It is pre-plucked, and the hairline actually looks really nice to me. And it also has some baby hairs, and this is what the parting looks like throughout the front. So this is what the hair looks like when it's wet. This is after I washed it, and the pattern is beautiful. It does revert back. You can straighten it, curl it. It does go back to its original pattern. So the baby hairs were just a little bit too long for me, so I went back and used an eyebrow razor to just, cut them shorter. And I am no hairstylist, y'all. This is like my 3rd wig ever. So this is what it looks like on. It is so pretty. I do love their hair. The shipping and service was amazing. I do really like the hair. It's beautiful. It's super soft. I didn't get any tangling. The only issue I got with the wig is it has some shedding. There's nothing too bad, but I still did get some strands. But other than that, I do like it. So now for makeup, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to apply this in the crease. Next, I'm taking the shade Red Earth. All these eyeshadows are from Anastasia Beverly Hills, so I'm going to also apply this in the crease, and I'm going to take this shade and apply it, like drag it to my eyelids as well. I'm starting to notice that this look is kind of turning out as a look in my last video. I actually filmed this video right here before the video I just posted on my page. You guys know, like, my simple fall makeup look that I just posted. But hey, they're different eyeshadows, so yeah. I'm just going to place it on my lid and the crease. So I'm using these Bold Face makeup lashes. I love their lashes, you guys. I forgot which style this was, but I'm going to find it and leave it in the description box. Their lashes are very lightweight. Like, they're very comfortable on the eyes. They look just like mink lashes, and they're really affordable. So you guys should definitely check them out. So for skin, of course, I will be moisturizing with my Pond's moisturizer. And for foundation, oh my gosh, this is an oldie, y'all. This is the L'Oreal True Match in the shade W7. This used to be my go-to foundation. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this all over my face and blend it out with my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade Medium. I need to get a new concealer. You guys have any recommendations? Let me know down in the comment section. So I'm just going to apply this under my eyes, on my chin, my cupid's bow, down the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead. And I'm going, what? And I'm going to blend it out with the same sponge. I'm talking too fast. So now that my face looks like a nice buttery biscuit, we are going to set it in place so we can be matte and not shiny all day. So I'm using the black Radiance banana setting powder, which I absolutely love, and you all should actually go out and get this powder because it is a bomb, okay? I wouldn't lie to y'all. So I'm really going to make sure I set everything because lately, y'all, I have been so oily, especially around my nose and on my chin. Like, what? So I'm going to make sure I really set everything good. So for bronzer, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Brilliance bronzer in the shade CoCo Cutie. And I'm just going to bronze up my face with this large contour brush that I got from Marshall's. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my makeup in place with my Covergirl setting spray. And while my face is setting and drying, I'm going to go back in to finish my eyes. And I'm going to apply that Red Earth shade on my lower lash line. And then apply my Wet n Wild mascara. I forgot the name of this mascara, but I'm going to leave everything in the description box. So for highlight, I'm using the Wet n Wild MegaGlow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, which is still one of my favorite highlighters. And I'm using a ABH A23 highlighting brush to apply it. I'm also going to pop this highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes and of course on the brow bone. So for lips, I'm using the ABH Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Craft. And I already lined my lips with just a brown lip liner. So I did go over this lipstick twice just to let you guys know. So this is the completed look. I slowed this part down so you guys can see how beautiful the hair looks once it's dried and once it's wet. It is just beautiful. The quality is amazing and I would definitely try out their hair again. But this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out WIGGINS hair. I will leave their information and all the products I use down in the description box. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.